This video is a compilation of footage that I took in 2019 when I was privileged to visit the Crandal Printing Museum and see a demonstration of a Linotype machine by Larry Erickson, who is a master printer who actually learned to use a Linotype machine at a print shop in the 1940s. This machine is insanely complicated. We're going to use a voiceover for most of this footage because the audio quality at the time was absolutely dismal. The Linotype is actually pretty noisy on its own, and I forgot to turn on the microphone for about half the time I was there. This invention was one of the first real improvements on Gutenberg's process, and it was invented by Otto Morgenthaler in the 1880s. This particular machine was built in approximately 1913. On the right we have a large keyboard similar to a typewriter. Pressing those keys drops down individual molds for that particular letter. Then they are moved into this rotating mold section, which has 4 different compartments that can receive letters. In the back is a molten tank of printer's metal, a specialized mixture of lead, tin, and antimony invented by Mr. Gutenberg. The lead is used for its low melting temperature and ease of use. The tin is alloyed with the lead to make it hard and smooth, and the antimony is the magic ingredient. Antimony is one of the very few materials like water that expand when they freeze. This counteracts the shrinking of the lead, and if you get the ratio exactly right, you end up with a mixture that will stay exactly the same volume when it is liquid or solid. This helps to make all the little details in the type stand out. This molten metal is then pressurized and pressed into the rotating mold, and then you drop out a full line of type. You didn't have to arrange individual type pieces to get this line of type. It was cast as a single piece. And after you're done using the type, you can throw it back in the tank and then turn it into new type. The individual letter molds are on these little key-shaped pieces of brass. After a line of type is cast, they are lifted up with this arm and moved into this rotating series of grooves, where a very ingenious device drops them down into their appropriate bins automatically. The bins of type can be swapped out so that you can change fonts for your project. What this machine effectively replaced was the hand typecaster, which had formerly been used to cast each individual letter of type one at a time. This had been used consistently from Gutenberg's day in the 1400s. It's pretty mesmerizing to watch, honestly.
We'll send this, we won't cast this because we can't memory knob, we send it over there. Could you push a couple more buttons? Oh, why don't you wait until we actually do the line? We don't have any space down here to make words out of it. Then go over there. There, you see the mold turn 90 degrees, so that actually went over here now. We'll get this out of the way. I'll be on the other side here. Right there's where it'll be cast. Wow. That lines up with the banana that actually running places there too. That's amazingly cool. Location on there. This mission over here. I'll just take it back up there to go along with this trigger. That is amazing. You want to drop back down? Yes. Wow.
Many thanks to Larry Erickson and to the Crandal Printing Museum for allowing me the access to film this footage, and thank you for watching.